We're going to use Office Libre to the function of find and replace today. Okay, we have a test document. We're going to locate the word are and replace it with is. Note the whole words box needs to be checked. Okay, find next. Okay, we found it 3 times. We can replace all of those. There it is. Now there's one more word we're going to change. The word best with test. Okay, find it, and then simple as replacing it. Close that. Save our work. And that's our sample of find and replace. Please subscribe.